Hello people of the world, it's Rachel and I am back to do another makeup tutorial. Today I knew that I wanted to do something avant-garde and boy did I get it. I had never done a look like this before. I think it came out pretty good. It could have been better of course, but the eyeliner was definitely testing me. You will see all of that go down. It was a wild ride, but I had a great time doing it. So if you guys would like to see how to recreate this makeup look and see all the craziness that went down, just keep watching. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna do my face first. I don't have a foundation right now that actually matches my skin tone. So I'm just gonna go in with my, my concealer and just kind of use that as my foundation because I got a lot of stuff to cover up right now. Alright, so now we're going to use that loose setting powder. I'll put the powder in the cap. I'm going to go ahead and just dip it onto my... I've never done this before. I'm going to use this to set my under eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and do my brows off camera and I will be right back. Okay, I am back with my brows on. I'm looking a little bit more like a human now. I'm going to put more of this setting powder in the cap. I'm going to put this underneath my eyes to catch any fallout when we do the eyeshadow, because I don't want there to be any fallout, because then it'll just ruin my base makeup. So I'm going to put a pretty significant amount under there. So if any of the eyeshadow falls into my eye, because we put the extra powder there, I can just whisk it away and it'll be good, good to go. Okay, so let's go ahead and go on with the eyeshadow now. I'm going to be using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. Not sure what I'm going to do today. I want to do something very winged out. I think the first thing I'm going to do is take this pencil brush, this unnamed pencil brush from Amazon, and I'm going to dip into, I think I'm going to do purple, blue purple. For the first initial purple color, I'm going to go into this one. And this doesn't have to be perfect because I'm going to take concealer and kind of outline it later. Now for this next color, I'm going to go into this blue right here. I just want to get these colors down first and then I'll blend them out later. I've never done a winged out look before with eyeshadow, so this will be interesting. I'm going to take my concealer, I'm going to put a lot of it on the back of my hand. I'm going to get the brush fully coated. Now we're going to cut out the crease. Please wish me luck. Never done this before, so let's try it. That's kind of it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some sparkles, so hopefully that'll clean up the edges a little bit. I'm going to use, this is a first impression, I'm going to use the Stila Magnificent Metals liquid eyeshadows. This is in the color Diamond Dust. I have been wanting to use these forever. They're liquid eyeshadows. So they look like this. They are so reflective. Here, I'll swatch it. Holy crap. So I'm going to put that on my eyelid today. I can't believe how easy they are to use. I am a little shook right now. No wonder everybody was so obsessed with these. I get it now. Okay, so I'm going to add my black eyeliner now. For this, I'm going to be using the NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner, and this is in black. I believe this is matte. Please, makeup gods, please let me do this eyeliner well today. Amen. getting there. I've never done a wing on camera before. This is so nerve-wracking. I mean, that's like the biggest wing I've ever done. Oh God, this is going really badly. Oh no, I just got eyeliner on my brand new Stila. Oh God, this is not going well. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to take a makeup wipe and clean this up. I'm going to carefully clean up these wings because these are just god awful. This is just going from bad to worse, guys. Oh my God, you guys, this is so bad. Holy crud. Oh my. This is absolutely pitiful. Oh my God. Let's try this one more time. I mean, I think that's as good as I'm gonna get it. That was absolutely horrendous. That took me a good, 45 minutes. Okay. It doesn't look awful. Oh my God, yeah, it does. All right, whatever. I literally give up. I don't even care that they're not gonna match. Okay. I mean, they're pretty close. Oh God, they're awful. I'm gonna go back in with my Stila liquid eyeshadow now in Diamond Dust and just kind of fill that gap in. I think I'm gonna do purple. I'm gonna go in with this purple right here. I just think that the black is too intense, so I'm putting the purple eyeshadow over it. I'm gonna dip into this beautiful teal color and put that in the center. I'm gonna throw on some lashes to hopefully save this whole thing, and I'll be right back. So these are the Lily lashes in the style Miami for eyelashes. So now is when the entire look hopefully will come together. The under eye eyeshadow. Well, let's just pray that it goes better than the top did. Well, let's just do exactly what we did on the top. So that is about as smoky as I want it to be under there. So very quickly, I'm just gonna buzz through the rest of the face. Shade and Light palette, Subconscious for my contour. For blush, I'm gonna go into Cindy Luminizer, this one right here. Now for highlight, I wanna use Becca Champagne Pop. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but for my inner corner highlight, I'm actually gonna go in with the Stila glitter that we used on the eyes. Ooh, I like that a lot. I'm actually gonna put a little bit of that on the bottom too. And just in the center. So for lips, I wanna do something kind of crazy. So I'm gonna use MAC Honey Love first. I've never put eyeshadow on my lips before. Let's see how it looks. I didn't have a purple liquid lipstick or a lipstick in general, so I'm just kind of making one with this eyeshadow, and it's actually not turning out too bad. Okay, so now that we have that purple eyeshadow on my lips, I'm gonna take some of this Luna lip crayon in the color Elera and put that on my lips to make it a light purple. You could just leave the lips as they are right now, but I want to do something with this. I'm literally obsessed with this, as you can tell. Ooh. Okay, so I just added some of that Stila liquid eyeshadow onto my lips because I didn't have like a glittery gloss. I'm actually pleasantly surprised with how this lip came out. All right. So you made it to the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and bearing with me. I know that that was a wild ride. That was very frustrating at some points, but I actually think it turned out really cool. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. My subscribe button is somewhere down there. And I will see you guys on my next video. I want it to be... Wow, I look crazy. Okay. Oh wow, that doesn't look blended in the slightest. I mean, I literally said... I can't even talk. I literally said... I can't talk. I literally said... So if you guys would like to I upload all the time. My subs